Yeah, hello, hi. So it's nice to be at your space again today. My name is Dio. So quickly, I got a message from one of my community leads, to do a video of how to screenshot a page, and I was like, wow. For sometimes some people want to, share their ideas on probably what they're working on, and um, probably they're trying to explain something to someone but they can't seem to explain it better. So sometimes you have to share your screen or do a screenshot of your screen and show me where you're having problems so I can help you resolve that issue. And sometimes you find that some people are not even able to screenshot their page because they don't know how to. So quickly, I'm going to share how you can do a screenshot. I know most people usually know how to do that, but for some others, they might be learning something. So if you are in that category and you want to learn something like you're not able to share your screen or you're not able to screenshot your screen to show someone probably where you're having issues, you want to get some things done and you can't get it done, and the person on the other hand doesn't really understand what you're saying because they needed to see what you're working on and see where the problem is. So I'll just quickly show you that, then I'll give you an added bonus. He reached out to me and he was telling me that, okay, hey, can you just do a video to show people how to screenshot their screen and share with others? So I'll just quickly do that in about a minute or two. Then I'll give you a bonus. Then there's this other aspect where you want to screenshot, you want to take like a shot of the entire page, and you're limited because you can't scroll down, you can't take it all at once. You have to, your screen is limited to a particular point, so you cannot scroll down fully to get the entire image. So I'm going to show you that as well. So just give us like a minute or two, we'll be able to get that done. And before we get in, please just kindly like and subscribe to my channel so this video can also get to others, and also is beneficial to them if they also have such challenges on how to share screen. So quickly, you just go to your search bar. Okay, so you go to your search bar. Yeah, you just type on Snip. You should pop up the app. You can see snipping tool here. So once you click on the snipping tool, it gives you an option where if you want to take a video, an entire video of your screen, probably you want to share your screen, this is the option to click. But if it's just for image, it's already highlighted on this for image already. So maybe in case I want to do a video of this screen, I'll click on this. But if I'm not doing a video, probably I just want to take a screenshot of a page of this screen that I'm seeing right now. I'll just click on this. This is usually the most options that people use. But for this one, it's in case you want to do a video. Yeah, so that's clear. So you just click on this new. It now gives you this option where you are now able to screenshot a particular page of your screen that you want to share with someone, or an area where you want to highlight to someone. So for instance, I want to share this with someone. I can just, once I get the area I want, I will just drop the plus button on top of it. Then I can just, yeah, this you can save here. You can just click on save. You can edit in Paint, whatever option your PC gives you to be able to do that. So for this, what we just want to do, we just want to screenshot a particular space of page so we can share with someone. So for instance, maybe I have an issue in this area that I screenshotted and I want to share with someone. Probably I'm having a code issue. I wrote some codes, for instance, and I'm having an error. So for the other person to be able to see the error I'm having and be able to provide insights or solutions to or provide debugging tips on how to go about the error. So I'll need to screenshot that page and share with the person. so the person can tell me where exactly that or why exactly I'm having that error. So let's assume that this is the page. This is the page where I'm having that error. So I'll just screenshot that page according to what I showed earlier. So like I said earlier, you just come here, you click on new, it will give you this plus button whereby you'll be able to capture a page where you want to share with someone. So from there you can just click on save. If you click on save, gives you the option for you to be able to save that. You can save it in your download page, whatever you want to save it. So I'll just leave it here on download. So I'll just click on save. So it saves. So from here, I can now be able to share it. It's already in my device. I cannot share it to anyone I want to share it. So that's how to screenshot your page. That's how to screenshot a part of your screen to someone or the entire screen. For instance, I want to screenshot this entire screen. What I'll just do, I'll still come back here. I'll do snip. It's actually called snipping tool. So I click on it. For example, I want to take all this page, everything here. I'll just do it this way. Now, look at where the plus button is. Look at where the plus button is. You just take it down to where you want it to screenshot, right? Then it takes that screenshot and you're able to save it and share with someone. So that's just how you screenshot your screen or whatever page you're working on and you want to share with someone. That's just how you do it. Then you just save it, then you share with the person that you want to share it with. So yeah. Secondly, okay, yeah. So that's name ready as this. So I can say no. I just had something. I just had something to differentiate it from what I have initially. So I'll close that. So that's basically how to screenshot your screen or your page or whichever area you want to take a caption of. So secondly, I shared with you that I'm going to show you, I'll give you another bonus of, for instance, now this page, there are some other things below here, right, that my screen that I'm not able to see, right? I'm not able to see any of these other stuff. For instance, maybe you got a mail and you want to screenshot it to someone and you're limited, it's showing you just a part of it and you can just scroll down. Let me look for an example I can use. But I think this works too. This page works too. For instance, I want to take to this point. So there's this extension in Google Chrome. It's an extension. It's called gofullpage. The extension is called gofullpage. So what you can do is you can go to Google Chrome and search for the extension. Let's say, for instance, we want to search for that extension. Let me use this part. So yeah, so this is it. Gofullpage. So what we're using, we're using a Chrome browser. We're using a Chrome browser. So I'll just click on this. So it loads up. Yeah, so because I already have this extension in my browser, that's why it should show me that it's already added to my Chrome. So yeah, so it's telling me not to remove from Chrome because it's already in my. If I show you my extension links here, you'll see that it's somewhere around. Yeah, you can see it here. Go full page. So it's here already. But for if this is the first time of seeing this stuff, so this is just how you get it. Then let me show you how it works, right? Let me show you how it works. So for instance, I want to capture this entire page, right? If you notice, this is where I am, right? I cannot go beyond one click screenshots, right? Whatever screenshot I'm taking will not go beyond this. Whatever screenshot I'm taking will not go beyond this. So for me to take this entire page, right? For me to take this entire page, what I'll need to do, let's this. I need to take this entire page. For instance, I want to take this entire landing page, right? So I'll come over to my go full page. Of course, you must have had it already installed in your okay, so let's say we want to take this let's take for instance we want to take this page, this entire page here. You see there's more, but we'll be able to get let me just try it and see if it works for this. Okay, so I'll click on it. Yeah, you can see that it's capturing the entire screen. You can see what it does. It captures the entire screen, and this is going to be a whole lot because you won't even be able to see that. I think I'll need to look for something a bit smaller to deal with, so it's easier to explain, right? Okay, so I think this works. This works. So you can see that it actually captured the entire page. Then if I want to view it, bold, you can see that I could view it very cleanly. Okay, yeah. So okay, that's how you capture an entire page where you're limited by actual space, but you want to go further down. So you just capture more of the screen. Right, let me see if I can show something else that will be a bit more easier to capture uh, for something else. But, okay, let me take for instance this zone page. We could just halt it there. Okay, let's see if we could just take this. Okay, this is easy. At least this is easy. So for instance, now this is easy to capture, but it's the same thing for even if the page is bigger than this, right? Even if the page is bigger than this, it's the same thing. So let's say for instance I want to capture this entire screen, this entire landing page, right? I want to capture. If you notice, I can take more than this. If I'm to use a normal snipping tool, right, a normal screen capture, I won't be able to capture more than this page, right? Or we go full screen, right? We go full page, I can be able to capture the entire page. So we'll go over that again so that it's clear. I think the other one, I don't know if it's clear enough, but let me just give you this as well so that it's more clearer. So now you notice what it does. It captures this entire landing page. It captures the entire landing page, right? And you have it just right there, right? You're not limited to just, if you check, this is the first part. This is the first part that you're able to capture. Now it seems as if it has been, you have it, yeah, you have the entire thing. So this is how to capture the entire page. So this is like a bonus to what I'm giving you to the previous one that just captures a section, right, of the page. And for Go's full page, it captures the entire page, the entire landing page, not just a fraction or not just a constricted part. It captures the entire page. And this is for some of us that might not have this, so this is like an added knowledge, for you to be able to capture more information and share with people that you want to share with. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.